Website architecture is crucial for user-friendly digital experiences. It involves organizing content logically to enhance user navigation and accessibility. A well-structured site ensures users find information efficiently, improving satisfaction and engagement. Key elements include clear hierarchies, intuitive navigation, and consistent design patterns, all contributing to a seamless user journey. Today, we'll delve into information architecture fundamentals, focusing on logical content organization for optimal user experience. We'll explore navigation best practices, including the 3-click rule, and engage in a hands-on activity to create a hospital website structure. Website architecture is the structural design that organizes, categorizes, and provides access to content. It acts as a blueprint, defining page relationships and navigation paths. Like a building's foundation, thoughtful architecture ensures users find information quickly, enhancing user experience, search engine optimization, and conversion rates. Website architecture is crucial for enhanced user experience, allowing visitors to find information quickly, leading to longer site visits and higher engagement. It improves search engine optimization rankings by enabling efficient crawling by search engines, boosting visibility. Clear pathways increase conversion rates by guiding users toward desired actions. Additionally, solid architecture supports scalability, facilitating the addition of new content and features. Information architecture, IA, is crucial for organizing content effectively. It involves creating clear categories, logical hierarchies, and intuitive labeling systems. This ensures users find what they need effortlessly. Proper information architecture means users seamlessly navigate the site, while poor information architecture leads to confusion and frustration. It's about making the site intuitive and user-friendly. The 4 core components of information architecture are crucial for user experience. Organization systems categorize information by topic, task, audience, or chronology. Labeling systems provide clear, descriptive names for categories and navigation. Navigation systems guide users through menus, breadcrumbs, and links. Search systems enable users to find specific information using search bars and filters. Organization schemes are crucial for effective information architecture. Exact organization includes alphabetical systems like restaurant menus, chronological systems like event calendars, and geographic systems like store locators. Subjective organization involves topic-based categories, task-oriented structures in e-commerce, and audience-specific layouts on university sites. These schemes ensure users find information efficiently and intuitively. The 3-click rule emphasizes efficient navigation, ensuring users find information within 3 clicks from the homepage. It's not about the exact number, but about minimizing unnecessary steps. Each click should be purposeful, guiding users clearly to their goal, reducing frustration, and preventing them from leaving the site. The 3-click rule reduces cognitive load by minimizing decisions, making navigation intuitive. It enables faster task completion, enhancing user satisfaction and lowering bounce rates. By limiting clicks, it ensures clear, logical pathways to essential content, guiding users efficiently to their goals. Prioritize key pages for easy homepage access. Group related content logically to align with user thinking. Test navigation by having users complete tasks, counting clicks. Offer multiple pathways like search, related links, and alternative navigation options to enhance user experience. Header navigation is crucial, featuring main categories and key actions at the top of every page. Footer navigation provides secondary links like policies and contact info at the bottom. Breadcrumbs offer a trail showing the user's location within the site hierarchy, enhancing user experience by clarifying navigation paths. Limit main menu items to 5 to 7 options to avoid overwhelming users. Use clear, descriptive labels like services instead of what we do. Ensure consistency by keeping navigation in the same location on every page. Highlight the current location with visual cues like bold text or underlines for user clarity. The footer acts as a safety net for essential links not included in the main navigation. It should contain legal pages like privacy policy and terms of service, company information, contact details, social media links, and secondary navigation or sitemap. Additionally, include newsletter signups or other calls to action to engage users effectively. Breadcrumbs are a secondary navigation tool that helps users understand their location within a site's hierarchy. They appear as a horizontal trail, like home services, web design, portfolio. Breadcrumbs provide context, enable quick backtracking, and enhance search engine optimization by helping search engines understand site structure. They're crucial for sites with deep hierarchies. A sitemap is a crucial tool for website organization, detailing all pages and their relationships. Visual sitemaps, often tree diagrams, aid in planning and design, ensuring clear communication of site structure. They illustrate page hierarchy, facilitating a shared understanding among team members before development starts. Visual sitemaps are flowcharts illustrating page relationships, aiding in planning and design. Tools like Figma and Lucidchart are commonly used. XML sitemaps, on the other hand, are code files listing URLs for search engines, generated by content management systems or search engine optimization plugins, and submitted to Google Search Console for efficient indexing. Begin by listing all necessary pages, from main sections to individual content. Group related content into logical categories based on topic or user need. Establish a hierarchy to identify top-level and sub-pages. Draw a tree diagram to visualize relationships using boxes and lines. Review and refine by testing user journeys for clarity and efficiency. An e-commerce site, like an online clothing store, uses a structured architecture. The homepage leads to categories such as men's, women's, kids, and sale. Each category breaks down into product types, like shirts or pants, guiding users to specific products. This design adheres to the 3-click rule, ensuring efficient navigation. Designing a hospital sitemap involves identifying key user needs: patients, families, doctors, job seekers, and students. Main sections should include departments, services, locations, doctor profiles, and resources. Ensure users can book appointments, find doctors, and access emergency services within 3 clicks, adhering to the 3-click rule for efficient navigation. Begin by identifying 5 to 7 main sections for your hospital sitemap: patients and visitors, medical services, find a doctor, locations, about United States. Break down each section, like listing specialties under medical services. Add third-level pages, such as treatments offered under cardiology. Include essential tools like patient portal login, bill pay, and contact hours. Lucidchart is a web-based tool ideal for professional sitemaps, offering drag-and-drop features and collaboration tools. Figma, a free design tool, excels in visual sitemaps with real-time collaboration. SlickPlan specializes in sitemap creation with automatic formatting and hierarchy visualization, also generating XML, extensible markup language, sitemaps. Each tool supports efficient website architecture planning. Avoid overloading navigation with too many top-level options. Group related items under broader categories. Use clear labels like products instead of vague terms. Ensure every page is accessible within your hierarchy to prevent orphan pages. Maintain consistent structure across sections and include search functionality on larger sites for user convenience. Card sorting helps identify intuitive content groupings by having users organize content cards. Tree testing involves users navigating a text-based site structure to spot navigation issues early. User journey mapping tracks user paths to identify bottlenecks. The 5-second test checks if homepage options are clear and memorable. Website architecture is the backbone of user experience, search engine optimization, and conversions. Information architecture organizes content through logical structures, aligning with user mental models. Ensure users can access any information within 3 clicks. Utilize layered navigation, header, footer, breadcrumbs, to guide users effectively. Visual and extensible markup language sitemaps are crucial for planning and search engine understanding. Great website architecture is seamless, guiding users effortlessly. As you work on your hospital sitemap, focus on user-centric organization and rigorous testing. Analyze a familiar website's architecture. Identify its structure, check adherence to the 3-click rule, and consider improvements. This practice refines your skills in creating intuitive, professional websites.